We made this chicken tractor so that we could move our chickens around. Dad is currently having the pigs and the chickens recycle the summer garden, so this was an ideal time for us to move the chickens. Keep an eye out for our fall gardening video coming soon. We used stuff that was on our property already, so it cost us nothing to make this tractor. If you don't have stuff on your property that you're not using, you can find old trailers and chicken coops on Craigslist that people are getting rid of for cheap and just stick it on top of a trailer like we did. Let us know in the comments below how much it cost you to make a chicken tractor using old materials. We'd also love to see pictures. This was inexpensive for us because we've had these products for years and we never really did anything with them. As in, the chicken coop had been invaded by the goats, and the tractor cart was making a lovely trash can. Once we got everything out of there, we remodeled it so that it could be repurposed as a chicken tractor.
It's portable, and it's free for us, because we just used some of our old stuff that wasn't really being used for much anything, and we built a chicken tractor.
So what are its features?
It's called a chicken coop, but it's actually a chicken sedan because it has 4 doors. It can hold up to a lot of chickens. It has a top. It has this little drawer thingy that comes out somehow, so you can clean out the poop.
Used to come out.
It has this.
Where we just filled it with shavings. And then it's got a door so that they can go in and out.
It has this.
And if you go out, you're in their little free reign area. And they can get out whenever they want.
And it has this to grab the chicken eggs from. Except now that it's on wheels, it's kind of hard to reach. Wow.
As you can see,
It's tall.
it's a little bit high. So, is there anything that we did to remodel it so that it would be more weather supportive?
We added this here
Galvanized metal?
galvanized metal to the roof so that it holds water better because it's so old. It's like 3 years
Why would
old.
it need to hold water?
So that it keeps water from leaking in. Because it's so old that the wood roofing that we got when we bought it like 3 years ago, it's ruined. It lets water in and it doesn't keep them very dry. So, you can get shavings in our links below or at your local tractor supply. I know it's upside down, we just opened it upside down. And it's pine shavings. We have it in the links below. It's in flakes. Flakes. You can open all the doors except this one because it's a long door and it gets blocked.
We didn't put the front of the trailer on this. We just have it in with a bungee cord so that it stays.
Or else this door wouldn't open and we wouldn't be able to let our chickens out.
Now, we have a cinder block here so that the trailer doesn't tip up when the chickens go in. And voila! Easy chicken coop. Hey, so we put them in for the night, and looks like they just hung out where we put the food. I'm gonna go check if they laid any eggs. So there are more than one chicken. Yes, we do have some eggs. Usually they lay later in the day. We got 2. Don't think there's anything else. We'll have to check. Oops. I don't see any. And the weird thing about our chickens is that they lay usually later in the day, so I'm actually surprised that we got any. But we put them in at night so that we know where their eggs are and they know where they're supposed to lay. Because we did this recently and they need to know where they go. So I'm just gonna open this up and try to let them out. In a previous video, Nigerian dwarf goats make funny pets, we announced that we were giving away a free t-shirt provided by Monticello Sellers. The winner of that giveaway is Ellie, E-L-Y. Go to our About Me page at vineyardchicks.com and click on the email link and give us your address, and we will send you your t-shirt. Congratulations!
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you!